Okay, we just got done doing a deck clean here in Roscoe, Illinois. This is one of those painted decks and light colored, so looks about 85% better than what it was. It was pretty black, had a lot of weird spots on it. We got the screen repaired there, got the steps scrubbed real nice, got these two screens replaced, and then we got the stainless steel or metal dog protectors here, so those are in good shape. My name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We do home maintenance, home repairs, exterior washing. Any questions you have, feel free to call or text me and myself, or any future work you may need. 815-520-6020. Hope you have a great summer. Enjoy.